Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch. This is up in Spaniards Beach. This is the flood after all this rain. Look at this. Oh, wicked. Look, all up over there. Look, right here, right tight to Buddy's. Like, look coming down Buddy's driveway. Look, all that up there. Watch. Oh, wicked, isn't it? Look at the beach. We're going over there after. Holy crap. Man, oh man. Look at that. Look at the beach, guys. Holy crap. Look. Oh my God, guys. Whoa. Look at the damage. This is the main beach in Spaniards Bay. Yeah. Oh guys, it's washing out. Like, it's still washing out. Holy moly. Man, oh man, unbelievable. The road is like right there, and look how much it's after washing out. I haven't got my rubbers on, so I can't walk over there. Yep, it's wicked, isn't it? The flooding board right there. Look, it's all flooded all over there, though. All that's flooded. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll update you on any other stuff that I see. Bye.